All right, last section. We're gonna move this back to wash, and this is the section right here. Kind of till the end of that. Let's see if I can show you my finger right there, and then right where this light is, or maybe right here, where the vacuum, where the washer, the steam cleaner is, right here. I'm gonna start right here. Okay, last push on this. Okay, so this area went rather quickly. There really were no spots here. So now I'm just going to put it back on rinse and use the rest of the water to rinse this and be done with it. I like this. Went quick. tell you, I'm pretty impressed with this. So now I'm gonna take this in here, kind of get it ready for the kitchen. But I'll switch this back to wash for my next go. But here, I don't know if I should just leave it alone on the camera part. You kind of get the gist. There's no dirt spots here. I'm just cleaning it because I'm doing the rest of the downstairs, so I just want this clean as well. It just makes sense. But here you have it. Thank you very much for watching. If you watch this to the end, kudos to you. I know it's boring, but it's necessary for the house, especially if you have a lot of pets like we do. We have a lot of rescued cats, so we need it. We need it once a year. I've got to tell you, I'm very impressed with the Hoover. Very impressed with the Hoover. And just remember, these stains here are from a piece of furniture that I stained, and I brought in the house too early. It wasn't dried up on the bottom, so that stays with me until I change this carpet out. But other than that, you can see this carpet looks like new. No more stains anywhere. Highly recommend it for your home if you've got pets. It takes away the pee smell. And cat owners, you would know that. You would know that. No matter what you do, you have to deal. That's part of having a cat. Okay, so that's it. I think this is the end of my clip here. When you're done with this, obviously wash it good. Don't leave it unattended, and let it dry before you put it together. But Hoover, thank you. Thank you. You did good. And this will be here for years to come. Very nifty little thing. Just to tell you, I did go to Walmart to look at a price for another Hoover, just to compare to see. And this kind of Hoover, well, we paid $179.99, but I think they're over $200 now. So if you want one of these, over $200. They have other ones that are not as expensive. So for that, I tell you, just do your research and look at the reviews that people leave for them. And that's that. This is not a stain here. This is actually just wet. I can see it. Just wet. You see when I step? Just wet. That'll dry. It'll be good. Okay. That's it. One last look. One last look. And to all of you new subscribers, thank you for subscribing. I appreciate you. Thank you for sharing my channel, for helping me grow it. God bless you and yours. And I'll catch you on the next video. Hey, Ollie. I love you. How you doing, girl? How you doing? Okay. It's a wrap.